Been with Sullivan Tire for 15 years now. I am the production manager at my store, which means I just kind of run the shop side of things. Still repairing cars too, though. Started getting into automotive field right after high school. Went into college like most people tell you you're supposed to do. Year in, realized it just wasn't for me. I was just really into cars and stuff at the time, so I was just like, maybe I can turn this into a career. First automotive job I had was at a national chain, and I really just felt like another number there. I couldn't grow. So I made the change to go to Sullivan Tire, and instantly I just felt like I was in the right place. It felt, like family almost. I am a certified ASE master technician. Sullivan Tire supported me through that journey. They paid for me to do trainings, provide me with everything I could. They paid me to take the tests, and then after passing the tests, they reward you with bonuses every year for having those certs. Whenever we have someone new come in that's just new to the field, always try to take them under the wing, teach them as much as I can, get them set up on all the trainings I can get them to, and we just want to see everyone grow. Benefits are great here. We got lots of vacation, more than I honestly probably need, but I'm happy I have it. We have 401k. We just introduced the ESOP program. The company really tries to help you save, giving you extra money. They get the holiday club. It's just another bonus check essentially at the end of the year, right before Christmas time when you need to buy presents. We have the American funds, which helps you invest money, which most of us probably wouldn't be doing on our own, so it's great to have. Being an automotive technician is rewarding. The car comes in broken, I get to work on it, it leaves fixed. There's no question if I've made it better or not, it works now. Every year, cars are getting more advanced, and Sullivan Tire is making sure that we can keep up with that. They're providing us training, making sure we have the right tools, and I'm never worried that cars are gonna get too advanced for us to be working on here. I've stuck with Sullivan Tire because of job security, and it's just such a rewarding job. Sullivan Tire continues to grow. I know it's not gonna go anywhere. I know I'm going to keep on making money as, times get tough for other people with AI. Is their job going to still be there or not? My job's still going to be here.